Do you want to know how you can add Otter AI's extension on your Chrome or Edge browser? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add Otter AI as your extension in your Chrome or Edge browser. Go ahead and log in to your Otter AI account in your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on your profile, which you can see on the left hand side. Now click install Chrome extension and it will take you to this Chrome extension store where you can see that you can get extension. So go ahead and click get extension for your Edge browser and then click add extension again. Wait for a while and you can see that Otter AI has been installed as an extension. To view it, click on extensions and click on visible. Now you can access Otter AI at any times using your Edge browser. Go ahead and click on this extension and you can start a Zoom meeting or Google Meet instantly using Otter AI's extension. So go ahead and click Zoom, or you can start a meeting using Google Meet. I hope this video about how you can install the Otter AI extension on your Chrome or Edge browser was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.